As a new student to Glendale College, it's important for you to complete the Math and English survey. Specifically, the most important first 3 steps to being a new student at GCC is 1, completing the college application. 2 is completing these assessments, which we'll show you, and 3, which is attend one of our new student orientations. So as a new student athlete, you will be attending Recruited Athlete Day, which is basically an orientation tailored specifically to student athletes. So to show you how to complete the survey, it's not a test. Some people are concerned that it's a test of their knowledge of math or English. It's not a test, it's just a survey basically gauging your high school math and English level. The easiest way to get there is to go to your browser and type in glendale.edu/assessment. So this brings you to our Assessment Center website. Specifically, this is pretty cool. They have live help. If you have questions on the assessment, you can click here during these times and they can assist you through Zoom with the assessment that you're taking. But let's show you how to complete the English placement. So I'm going to click on the English survey. So this opens up the English guided placement survey. So you're going to fill out this information. So this is asking you your personal information. So your email, your name, first name and last name, your ID number, your date of birth, and then your phone number. The next question is asking you if you've completed financial aid. I'm going to say not sure. This doesn't have any impact on your placement. It's just asking you if you've completed your financial aid application yet. Did you complete your GCC new student orientation? We're going to click no. For most of you, you have not. If you have, you can select yes. Most of you watching this have not attended that yet, but you will attend that at the Recruited Athlete Day with us. Please choose the name of your last high school. So if the last high school you went to is listed here, you can go ahead and select it. If you went to a different high school, you're going to select this option, a high school in the U.S. that is not listed here. And if you went to high school outside of the U.S., like in another country, you would select that option. So we're going to select this option for myself, a high school student in the U.S. that is not listed here. So I'm going to click next. The next question is asking you how long you've been out of high school. So let's pretend I'm a high school senior. I'm going to say I'm still in high school. Have you received an IEP or a 504 plan or disability related accommodations while you're in high school? So if you had a learning disability or some sort of accommodation that you received, you can select this here, yes or no. Or if you are not sure, you can select that option. Let's click next. Have you completed 11th grade? We're going to select yes and click next. What grade did you receive in the last English class you completed? So I'm going to think about the last English class I completed, and I got a B. What was the name of the last English class you took in high school? So if some of this is unclear, think about this in order of difficulty. So these are like 9th grade, 10th grade, 11th grade English, college composition, 12th grade English. We've got some AP English. Let's pretend I completed 12th grade English. So I'm going to select that option. And then we're going to select next. High school GPA, what was your cumulative unweighted high school GPA? If you're still in high school, it says if you're unsure, please estimate. So an estimate is okay. And if you're still in high school, enter your cumulative unweighted GPA as of 11th grade. So the last time you maybe completed classes. So for myself, we're going to put a 3.01. Again, if you're unsure, just estimate and then click next. It says, congratulations, you're almost done with the English guided placement process. Please read this page, then click submit below. This is basically telling you your next step is to attend an orientation and enroll in classes, which is what you'll do with me on Recruited Athlete Day. Let me also take a minute to show you the math placement survey. So if you remember, if we go back to that first link, glendale.edu/assessment, we scrolled down, we just completed the English one, and let's complete the math one. You should complete both. So again, you're going to put your contact information in. So email, name, ID number, date of birth, Okay. Phone number. Have you completed financial aid? We're going to maybe say not sure, depending on what you've done. Again, that has no impact on your placement. Did you complete new student orientation? We're going to select no, because most of you here haven't done that yet, but some of you might have. Did you attend high school in the US? Yes, I did. Next. How long have you been out of high school? So for me, I'm still in high school. Same question as before. Do you have an IEP or 504 plan from high school? I don't know if I have one, but you might have. If you have, you'd want to select that. Have you completed 11th grade? Yes. What is the highest level high school math other than statistics that you've passed with a C minus or better? So again, please assume these are in order from low to high. So algebra 1, geometry, algebra 2, integrated math, trigonometry, pre-calculus, calculus. So here's where you're going to select the last class, the highest level that you've ever completed with a C or better. So for me, that was, let's say, trigonometry. But again, you'll have to select whatever your last one was. What is the highest level high school math other than statistics you have completed? Please note this question is similar to the last, except it does not require that you have a C or better in the class. It only asks for the highest math that you took, even if you had a D or an F in it. Again, please assume the course below are listed in order from low to high. So let's say you took pre-calculus, but you didn't pass it, but you were able to enroll in it. Maybe we'll select that one. But it might be trigonometry. It just depends on the person. So again, this question is asking you the highest level of high school math that you have completed. Even if you got a D or an F in the class, it's telling you. It's just asking you the highest math class that you took. Did you pass an AP Calculus or AP Statistics test with a score of 3 or higher? So if you took the test, you would want to select yes or no. But if you know you did, I didn't. Did you take statistics in high school? I did not. Some people have. What was your cumulative unweighted high school GPA? Please enter a number between 0 and 4. Again, if unsure, please estimate. And if you are still in high school, enter the cumulative GPA as of end of 11th grade. So for me, I know I have a 3.01. And then we're going to click next. Congratulations, you're almost done with the survey. So again, same thing. You're going to click submit, and then you're going to keep an eye out for your email that specifically shows you where you placed. And you want to have access to those results when you come to our Recruited Athlete Day, because we are going to refer to them when we are talking about classes to take. Looking forward to seeing you all at our Recruited Athlete Day. Most importantly, just remember, on this assessment center website, they do have live help every day of the week. So if you click this link, it will literally take you to their Zoom. So make sure you get help if you have questions when you're completing it or not sure how to answer a question. Anyways, looking forward to seeing you at Recruited Athlete Day.